Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and today we'll be doing your Love Bite, the last of the month of May. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Pisces. And these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Pisces and send them the messages they need to hear the most right now. Thank you. So Pisces, let's begin. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you again for being here. And if you're new here Pisces, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So Pisces, some things are still stuck, I think, here, having a lot of sleepless nights. Walls are up, lack of balance, feeling very overwhelmed. This could be you, could be your partner, I don't know. Or maybe you're dealing with an emperor in reverse here, Pisces. Somebody who's very controlling, somebody who's, it's my way or the highway, and like, this is the way I like things, and this is a false emperor. This is a person who's actually weak, but try and pretend to, press other people's wishes down so they can look like the boss. And there's a lot of stress regarding that. Things seem to be stuck right now. Okay, so what I'm going to do, Pisces, let me start with some dialogue message cards here. If you guys could say something to each other, what that would be, then we'll clarify these cards, okay? Pisces and their person, spirit. Pisces and their person. This is almost as if you feel, you're not being able to manifest your happiness with this person. Maybe they're being a trickster or something. 3. One more, spirit. Okay. Let's take a few more from here, Pisces. Pisces and their person. Oops, that's a lot of cards, but we'll take them. And I'll take a couple from here as well, Pisces. And if any of you are looking for a personal reading, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. So the first card I have for you here, Pisces, says, why do you hide your pain from me? You know that I can see right through you. Our souls are entwined and perfect and reflect each other deeply. If you would only talk with me, I could help support your healing, and that would help heal me too. Aren't you tired of overthinking and being so hard on yourself? You can deliver yourself out of the pain, fear, and frustration, and then you will see what I've seen in you all along. Almost similar message in both these cards. Your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried that the karmic is going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I desire. Least I deserve. Who knew that one of the greatest challenges of my life would be the love of my life, who after meeting would eternally haunt my very existence? Now this does seem like a person who is feeling haunted, can't sleep at night, having nightmares, stress, worry. I hunger for your touch, your kiss, and the warmth of your body. I want you and I need you now. You can't imagine how much I love you. You're the woman oblique man that every man oblique woman desires. I know that I can count on you, and I will show you that you can count on me too. My heart breaks a little bit more every day that we are apart. I'm working through issues with my family. My feelings for you are now platonic. Now, I don't know who's saying this to who, Pisces. If this seems like your reading, you would know. And I'm going to start with an angel blessing card to see if my angels can help here. And then we'll clarify this read. My angel spirit guides, please bless Pisces with be brave. Yes, this situation calls upon you to be courageous right now, Pisces. I do see that you're dealing with a lot. Okay, things seem like some of you may be feeling, I'm having bad luck in love right now. Things are just not balanced. There's a lot of pressure, but my angels are urging you to keep your strength, because nothing lasts forever, Pisces. Remember that the only constant in life is change. This too shall pass. So let's start clarifying your cards. Spirit, why is the Nine of Swords here? Why is there so much stress? Because somebody is going through a lot of depression here. Lot of sadness, lot of depression, wanting somehow to heal this broken heart of yours. Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands. Seven of Wands. Somebody here is wanting to find some solution, something to kind of remove the toxicity from, this fighting that's happening, all this conflict which is happening, this maybe competition, arguments, fight. Somebody just wants to take the higher ground now and release whatever has been toxic in this connection, trying to figure out a way to heal their broken heart. But still, the pain is still there, because the sleepless nights are there. Things have been very, very imbalanced. Temperance in reverse. What's that, Spirit? Yeah, somebody's got clarity about the fact that maybe their partner was a player, or maybe just was not interested in a serious connection, or just wanted to play around, or not be stable, not offering them something which could go the long haul. Now this truth and clarity is very much there. So somebody is realizing that this is not the kind of relationship I want. It's very imbalanced, and that's leading to a lot of thinking. There's almost like being prisoned in your mind with these thoughts that, I didn't see this before, and what should I do now to get out of feeling, all this pain and heartbreak, and, of dealing with a person who ended up being a false emperor, a magician in reverse, and a Knight of Wands. This is quite a burden to carry at the moment, but please, Pisces, if this is you, it's not your fault. Somebody tricked you here. I can see that. There's the magician in reverse. The onus was on this person, not you at all. Maybe this was just a lesson that you had to learn. I know, it's silly to say that, and when you're going through pain, you don't want to know that this was a lesson, and you say, what did I do to deserve this? And I understand all that, but I guess God has a plan. Maybe 5-10 years later, you'll look back and realize why this had to happen and what it helped you become. 10 of Wands, Spirit. 10 of Wands. Yes, this burden is making you be a bit distrusting now of everyone around you, maybe, especially of this person. It's also made you a bit angry now, because you feel, they stopped the flow of your life, wasted too many years or too much time getting fooled. One more. Yes, this time now, you're quite sure, you realize why things are stuck between the two of you, what the faults are, what you want, what you don't want. And yes, you're very, very willing now to drop this burden, Pisces. You want to drop this going back and forth in your mind. Enough is enough. I'm not going to be juggled. I'm not an option. I'm not going to, stay stuck in my mind, wondering if they're coming back. And I'm not going to carry all the load of this connection either on my shoulders. I'm tired. I'm dropping everything. You really do want to turn your back on this connection if possible, and never look back. 3 of Wands in reverse. Because all this person has done has brought chaos and conflict in your life, maybe always abandoned you, left you out in the cold. And this is not the kind of connection you ever want to return back to, maybe now, or you just want to turn your back on this. And because this hope of, you got into this connection hoping for stability, for maybe marriage, for forever, you thought this was your twin flame, but some secrets came out which showed you that they were never really serious, right? So 4 of Wands in reverse. 4 of Wands in reverse. Yes, now that you're holding back, Pisces, you kind of get getting back in your power, getting stronger by the day. Now you're realizing that how immature this person was, how much unrest and useless, sorry, not useless, but how immature and childish this person's been in this connection. And you feel as you get stronger, you see it more and more clearly. Some secrets have been revealed now, or at least that's how you feel, that things are not in the dark anymore. You're realizing that this person was a liar. This person made you false promises, never kept up, Maybe they promised you the 10 of cups and or at least gave you the impression that you could have this 10 of cups with them, but they all ended up being false. So these are the secrets now which have come out, maybe because of your own inner working, your own high priestess energy, maybe getting guidance from others. You're suddenly now seeing the truth, and it's actually making you stronger now. You realize maybe that you were dealing with a magician in reverse. Now, magician in reverse is a trickster. Yes, moon in reverse again. Certain things are now very, very clear to you, no longer hidden in the dark, and now you're ready to shut this chapter down. You're ready now to close this chapter down, Pisces, and now you want to maybe heal yourself, or maybe just take some time out to take care of that broken heart of yours. What's this magician, Emperor in reverse, Spirit? Emperor in reverse. This Emperor in reverse may return, come back to you with an apology and whatever. But the point here is, Pisces, they're still coming back, I think, with a need for passion. Okay, so just be very, very mindful that what are they apologizing, or what are they offering this new beginning for? Is it for love, or is it just to have another go around? This person is a bit selfish here. Okay, they're not happy that they can't get their way with you maybe right now. This person is very self-centered, very selfish, is an Emperor in reverse, and I don't think they're going to bring back that balance that you've been looking for. I think it's the time. This is the best upright card I've seen in this reading till now, and it so correlates with this Be Brave card. This is a time for you to keep your boundaries and not give in to this person if this person comes back. Right? Because I'm not sure right now, at least for this week, I'm not sure even if they approach you, or if you're tempted to go back to them, whether they're still ready for the real thing. They may say something or do something which they're actually trying to control you so that they can get back in bed with you. I'll be straight off. Very, very selfish and self-centered energy, and finally it's not going to make you happy again. So that's what Spirit is saying. Right now is not the time. Be brave and be strong in the face of this magician and this Emperor in reverse. They're still in their selfish energy. Okay? I'm sorry, this was a very heavy love bite for you. Didn't intend it, but that's the way the cards came out. We'll dive deeper on Wednesday and see actually what's going on in their heart space and yours, and see if any energies are aligning, or maybe somebody new is coming along. Let's wish for that. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.